Hi students. So today we are going to discuss regarding the probable long answer questions in intermediate physics second year. So you should know that this time again you have 100% syllabus. You have a long answer section in section C. So generally you have 19, 20 and 21st question. So this order may change according to the chapter, but generally you have 19th question from waves chapter, which is the first chapter. In that you can expect generally 5 long answer questions. You know that one: stationary waves and open pipe, closed pipe, Doppler effect and Doppler shift. And always it is better to practice problems also, because generally out of these 3 long answers, 2 long answers can be expected with like 6+2 format. That means they can ask 2 marks problem. So you should attempt any two, but it is better to be perfect with all the questions which I have given now. So in first chapter you have generally 5 LAQs. So beats you should read at last, because beats are also included in long answer question. But if you are perfect, then only you should go for beats. Otherwise, if you see the previous papers, you are expecting only from these 5 chapters: stationary waves, open pipe, closed pipe, Doppler effect and Doppler shift. And 20th question, long answer, you can expect always from this current electricity chapter, which is chapter number 6. And out of which, if you see, previous 2 years, they are asking from this Kirchhoff laws and Wheatstone bridge. But otherwise, this potentiometer is also very important. In potentiometer, you have again 2 long answer questions: principle of potentiometer and everything. And sub question will be derivation part, that is comparison of EMFs, E1 by E2 equal to L1 by L2. And next the same thing like potentiometer, but they'll ask what? Derivation of internal resistance, that is at last you'll get the formula or equation as small r equal to capital R into L1 by L2 minus 1. And in this also you can expect one problem. So the good thing in the case of problem is generally exceptional cases are there, but generally they'll give the problem according to the last derivation part. For example, in this case, comparison of EMFs, based on this final equation they may ask, okay? But some exceptional cases are also there. And coming to 21st question, if you observe the model papers, they are asking frequently the construction and working of what? Nuclear reactor. And this is the one of the easiest question. Generally, if you go through this one, practice well, you have all theory, only diagram is there. Diagram is very important. And here also you can expect one problem. That problem is generally based on delta E equal to delta M C square. That based question they can ask, or power P equal to N E by T. So based on this only they are asking the problem from nuclear reactor. But otherwise it depends, it is optional, but it is better if you practice the problems that can come from nuclear reactor. Next, there are many options that are available for this 21st question, that is law of radioactivity. And final equation you get N equal to N naught e power minus lambda T. Next, mass defect and binding energy. Next, carbon, nitrogen and proton cycles. So these are generally all the probable questions you can expect. So it is better if you start with the nuclear reactor first. So whichever is easy, then if you start, it is better, because nuclear reactor is nothing but all theory part is there and you have one diagram, so it is very easy. Then I recommend you to go directly to this waves chapter, that is 19th question. Complete this 5 LAQs, then you should go for 6th chapter, that is potentiometer, Kirchhoff law, Wheatstone bridge, etc. So you can able to attempt very with confidence, and you can score well. Okay, right. Thank you.